Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great week and a great Wednesday. We are at the middle of the week again. Yay! So this is my review for VIPCrossStitch. This is part 2. If they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, they'll be running right along here. And also in the description box below. I feel like I'm out of center here. So let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we have here is some of that wax. I wanted to try this one. And it comes in a little container. Let me take it out. It was $3. Sorry. Trash. Whoa. And then I drop everything. Oh my goodness. We're having a day. Sorry. Okay, $3.63, and it comes in a little thing like this. I don't know. And I don't know if you can get replacements. That doesn't turn. I've seen other people do this. So you line up the holes. You put your thread in there. I wish I had a piece of thread. I'm looking. A piece of thread that would be long enough, but this will do. So you put your thread here across the top and kind of line it up, and you put this on, line up the holes and close the lid and hold it like that and pull the thread right through. It works better with the silk stuff, but I did get some wax on that one. So that's how you use that little puppy. And then you just close it so that there's no air getting to it. I don't think that that's going to, see how the holes are right there. So if you turn it, if I can get my fat fingers out of the way, there you go. So nice little cute dispenser. I think they come in a couple colors. I mean, the dispenser part. So very nice. And I guess that does not, no, that does not turn. It's just for looks. And that will not, hang on. That won't come out of there too hard. There's probably something in the core. So very nice. I like it. I will try it with my my silk ones and let you know how it works in comparison. Oh, I want to see something. Hold, please. I was looking to see if it is waterproof. Just says material, PVC and beeswax. So I don't know if that'll wash out or not. It says overline. What does it say here? Oh, there was something there. Evidently it's edible. There's a tree, and then I can't tell what the rest of it is, so not sure. We'll look it up to see if it's washable and will come out. All right, let's get on with the next one. Let me get it out of its bag. Okay, so isn't that a beautiful butterfly? And it's just the butterfly in the center, but you do, if you want, have to stitch the background on this, and it was $8.86, 40 by 40. So let's take a look at the pattern. We have 32 colors. Very nice, very well printed, no smudges, no smears. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish, but I just loved all the purples and the blues and the oranges and the greens and reds. It's an explosion of color. Let's look at what colors we have. We have 154, which is the mulberry, no 310 black. We have 498 red, 550 purple. We have 820 and 823 and 939, which are shades of navy, if you will. No 3371. And we have B5200 for the background. So you can just stitch the butterfly, and maybe you could embellish it with some shiny threads or something. Do whatever you want to it. But this had a lot of potential, so I just loved it. At the bottom, if I can get it down here, 39 by 39. It's 147 by 147. Huge, ginormous pattern. So very well done. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's take a look at everything else. It does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. So we have a bird this time. He's very easy to see. Now, before we open this, the product number is 5312, 5312, and 5312. So everything matches. Let's take out of the bag. Okay, boy, that took a hot moment because there isn't a rubber band around here. You shake it down. Get this piece of paper out of my way. Look at the explosion of colors. We have hot pink, bright orange, teal, turquoise in dark, dark blue, browns, hot pink, and B5200. Look at the teals and the blues. Oh my goodness. It is an explosion of colors. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh, can you ever? It'll be a lovely thing to do in spring. I know it's kind of dark colors and it's not the spring colors, but butterflies are spring and summer, okay? That's just the way I feel about it. And we'll have a lot of B5200 left over because there is no way in this world that I am going to do that background. Just not happening. All right, let's take a look at the canvas. So it's nice and big. It's not nearly as crunched together as it looked on that pattern. It is serged all the way around, and the serging, they've used this really lightweight thread so it doesn't interfere with the numbers, especially since you have those thread cards. Here's your dimensions down at the bottom. Very nicely done. Let me just fold it, and very well printed, very easy to see. That's what I love about 11 count. Yeah, I mean, I like 14 count, sort of, but this is my first love. Yeah, 11 count. Let's make it so we can see it. And it's going to be a little confettied here and there, and then it does have bigger areas. So, yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. And it's a nice size for summer or spring. I almost sat out the other day. Almost sat out on the porch, but there was still snow on my porch. But it was almost 50 degrees, and there was no wind. What can I say? Okay. I'm blabbering. Okay, it is, well, just a hair's breadth under 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches. This way is 39 centimeters or a little over 14 1/4 inches. Actual picture size is 13 inches or 33 centimeters that way, and about 13 1/4 inches or 34 centimeters this way. So it's a little wider than it is the other way. I have drooling bags over here. They're falling all over. Very nicely done. I really do like this. And we'll probably have to start it soon. We're just not waiting for summer or spring or anything that's coming. All right, last one is a 40 by 60. It was $10.45. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back after fighting with the tape. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that bird. Oh my goodness, the explosion of colors. He's just exploding with reds and greens and a little bit of orange and yellow and the turquoises and the blues in this. Oh, yeah, loved it. Okay, this is by that new company as well. This one's a little bit bigger pattern. Oh my goodness, let me get it. Holy cow. Huge, ginormous pattern. 37 colors. It does have how to start, how to finish instructions. Very well printed, no smudges, no smears. Holy cow. I don't know, when I look for these things, I just look at the picture. Oh yeah, let's do that. Here we are. It's huge. And I don't know, you'd probably have to do the background, which is 3865. And the other color is 3770. So you can either do that or not. See what colors we have. We have 154 mulberry, 310 black, 498 red, 666 red, 823, 939, no, 3371. We have 3770 and 3865, like I said. So, and every color in between. But I think it's going to be gorgeous, and it doesn't look too difficult. I mean, it looks like it's kind of rivers. You've got a little bit of confetti up in here where all the definition is, and it may be the definition of the flowers. So, yeah, it's not too bad. It's doable. Doable. All right, let me put that up. Oh, no, got to have that for a minute. Got to have it. We're going to flip that for a second and show you this. The number here is 3685, 3685, and 3685 here. So everything matches. Hang on. Does have a toolkit. We have La Tigra, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. He's so cool looking. At least I think it's a tiger. I've been calling him a tiger. Yeah, he's a tiger. For a minute there, I thought maybe he was a jaguar or something. Let me get the threads out of the bag. All right. Look at those teals and oranges and turquoise and gray and pretty possibly red. That might be the 666 red. You got some greens, turquoise, darker turquoise. Got some dark color, which is, was that 939? Yep, 939. Some days I can't tell it from 310. Oh, it does have 310. I was going to say, it's awful dark even for them. But beautiful, gorgeous colors. Here's all your whites. That cream color is 3770, and this is 3865. There's your mulberry. But beautiful, gorgeous, stupendous colors. There's a lot of thread here. Oh my goodness. They'll be crunching, because I don't want to let go of it. It's a wad of thread. All right, we'll put that over there. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oh my goodness, this canvas is huge. Look how big that bird is. Look at how big his head is. I swear that's like 5 inches this way and about 6 this way. My goodness gracious. And then they want you to do that whole background. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. I need a drink. Drink. Please, please. Must be talking too much. My throat's getting dry. Very nicely done. Product number up here. At the bottom, 39 by 59, 147 by 233, 11 count. Serging all the way around. Serging is right on the edges of the numbers, so they're very easy to see. Nicely printed and easy to see canvas. All the nice symbols. So, yeah, and it's going to be confettied from here, like up into the top of the bird, just so you get all the colors. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's measure this puppy. Ugh, sorry. We're having issues today. My desk is getting overcrowded again. Time to clean it. All right, so we have 23.5 centimeters, or almost 60. No, try again, crazy girl. I said that wrong. My bad. 23.5 inches, or almost 60 centimeters by 39 centimeters, or 15.5 inches. The actual picture size is about a little over 13 inches, or 33.5 centimeters by 53.5 centimeters, or a little over 21 inches. So it's fair good size. It'll take you a hot moment to do that background. It'll take you a hot moment to do this. Yeah, he's kind of cool. He's kind of cool. Very nice. Very nicely done. This is that nice smooth, what do you call it? Canvas. It's a little thick, and it takes a moment for it to get crunched down. It does act like it's, like, what is the word? Starched. But yeah, I think I'd start down here. Start in the easy part. Oh, that great big part right in the middle. What the heck? Oh, that's all 310 black. Lovely. Not my cup of tea. We'll have to do it separately. I don't know. My eyes kind of go batty when I do 310 in a big area. I can't, after a while, I can't tell if I've made to it, you know, the X or not. And it gets to be a hot moment. What can I say? Oh my gosh, hit that again, Lord Jean. All right. All right, guys, that is it from VIPCrossStitch. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for all these lovely kits that I got last week and this week. They're just stupendous, and the colors are magnificent. I just absolutely love them. Now, VIPCrossStitch does not have diamond painting. I don't think that they have paint by number. They have mostly sewing things, so you may have punch needle. You have embroidery. They have beaded embroidery, but it's the little pictures of which I've yet to conquer. Yeah, they're my nemesis out there somewhere. And lots and lots of cross stitch, either counted or stamped like we do. They have lots and lots of kits, lots to choose from. They usually have free shipping over $69, like I said. If they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, it'll go in the beginning of this video and in the description box below. So do check them out. And I'm sure that they're probably having a spring sale. We've gotten past the Chinese New Year thing, so everybody's having spring sales. So maybe you can pick up a bargain, you know, something that you wanted forever and it was just a little too much. Maybe it'll be on sale, so check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.